Welcome back. In previous lecture, we have discussed about Linde system for liquefaction of gases. Now, the next very low temperature refrigeration system is production of low temperature by adiabatic demagnetization of paramagnetic salt. So, all the substances are divided into two classes, that is with respect to their magnetic properties, that is diamagnets and paramagnets. So those substances which are repelled by the magnetic pole are called as diamagnetic or diamagnets, and those are attracted by the magnet pole or magnetic pole are called as paramagnetic materials. So some of these paramagnetic materials or salt, such as gadolinium sulfate, are found to be the best suited for obtaining the low temperature by their adiabatic demagnetization. So what is by this adiabatic demagnetization, or what is by this magnetization? If you see the diagram, so this diagram consists of three vessels which are connected as shown in the figure. So the innermost vessel is filled with the paramagnetic salt like gadolinium sulfate. The next vessel, that is middle vessel, is filled with liquid helium, and the outer vessel is filled with liquid hydrogen. And these three vessels are insulated from the surrounding with the help of insulation, and the magnetic poles are held around these vessels. So figure shows an arrangement of adiabatic demagnetization of paramagnetic salt. So when we apply the magnetic field with the help of these magnetic poles, so whatever the paramagnetic salt which are attracted by the magnet, that means inside this paramagnetic salt there is change in structure takes place with the help of this magnetic field, and during this change, or due to this change in structure, or due to this magnetization, the heat is generated, and due to that heat, whatever the liquid helium, that liquid helium get vaporized. So liquid helium absorb the heat from this paramagnetic salt, because the temperature of this paramagnetic salt increases with the help of the change in structure due to the magnetization, and this liquid helium gets vaporized. So whatever the space is generated, that space is filled with the material which we want to cool, or the liquid which we want to cool, and after filling the material, whatever the magnetic field is developed or generated, that magnetic field is terminated, that is magnetic poles are removed out, and demagnetization of that paramagnetic salt takes place. So as the demagnetization takes place, whatever the structure or the molecules of that paramagnetic salt again try to regain its original position or original shape, and this process is endothermic process. That is, during this process the tremendous heat is absorbed, and that heat is absorbed from the surrounding liquid, that is the liquid which you want to cool, or the liquid which you fill in the middle vessel. So this paramagnetic salt or gadolinium sulfate absorb the heat from that substance, and the cooling of that substance takes place. With the help of this process, we can develop a very low temperatures, that is up to the 0.1 degree Kelvin temperature we can generate with the help of this adiabatic demagnetization of paramagnetic salt. In this process, the liquid helium is acts as an like insulation to avoid the heat interaction or heat transfer from system to surrounding or from surrounding to system. So this is the adiabatic demagnetization of paramagnetic salt. So with the help of this system we can produce a very low temperatures, because magnetization is a exothermic reaction and a demagnetization is a endothermic reaction. So when we apply the magnetic field, whatever the molecules of that paramagnetic salt change its structure or change its position and heat is developed. That heat is absorbed by the surrounding liquid or surrounding material and get vaporized. So after vaporization, whatever the empty space is there, that empty space is filled with the liquid which you want to cool, and after that the magnetic poles gets removed. That is the demagnetization of paramagnetic salt takes place, and this demagnetization process is endothermic process. The molecules try to regain its original shape, and for that purpose it absorbs heat from the surrounding, and as the heat is absorbed from the surrounding, the temperature of that liquid decreases and we can produce a very low temperatures with the help of this process. So this is about adiabatic demagnetization of paramagnetic salt for production of very low temperatures.